In this instructional video, we will go over the steps for the setup and installation of an in-press digital multimedia press. The Xante in-press and enterprise feed system is delivered on two pallets. One pallet contains the in-press, and the other contains the enterprise feed system. Remove the packaging and components from the printer stand and place where the printer system will be located. Lock the wheels. Remove 4 plastic box locks. Remove the box top. Locate the 4 lift handles. Place the printer in the 4 recesses on the printer stand. As a note, only use the lift handles when moving the printer. Unbox the feeder. Place the feeder on the printer stand. Slide the feeder away from the printer. Position the feeder so that the feeder slots match up with the mounting holes on the stand. Insert the thumb screws to secure the feeder to the stand. Do not tighten the thumb screws completely. Slide the feeder to the forward position. Center the feeder so that the red line on the feeder matches up to the center of the ruler on the printer. With the feeder centered, tighten down the thumb screws to secure the feeder to the stand. Plug in the printer's power cable on the back left panel. Connect the printer to the network using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug in the feeder's power and data cables. Remove the standard paper exit tray by opening the cover and pinching the lock together. Locate 4 thumb screws for the optional output conveyor. Place the conveyor platform into position on the left side and secure all 4 screws. Place the conveyor on top of the printer and slide it along the top of the printer. Secure the 2 locking knobs on the bottom of the conveyor to secure the conveyor to the printer. Use the feeder tether strap to hold the feeder to the printer during normal operation. If the feeder must be pushed away from the printer, detach the tether strap.